Look, Senator Risa Ontiveros present resibo. In Tagalog, resibo. Receipts contradicting whistleblower Michael Morillo claims that he was coerced into testifying against detained religious leader Apollo Kibuloy. Kibuloyski naman ho tayo, mga kababayan. Ayan. No? January 28, 2024, merong email. Sa email ho, mga kababayan, mga boss chief sir, malabo hong matanggal yan, mabura o ano. Nandyan ho, maiiwan po yan. Nakasulat dito, Dear Senator Risa Ontiveros, I am Mike. Nag-email sila kay Senadora. I am Mike, also an ex-worker of Kibuloy's church. I was also one of those who were hurt, no? Slap, sinampal, hit on the head, binatukan. Aba, manyuyupa din ho ba si Kibuloy? Hindi, bigla ko tanong lang ho yun ha, mga kababayan. Kasi nahinto ako, ngayon ko lang nakita. Akala ko kapag yung mga lalaki, benta-benta o tap, o kaya donasyon, no? O kaya sinasaktan. Nung pagkabasa ko po dito, sabi dito, I am Mike, also an ex-worker of Kibuloy's church. I was also one of those who were hurt, no? Sinasaktan. Slap, sinasampal. Hit on the head, binabatukan. Sexual abuse. Ano yun? Nanyuyupad.